Amara. Amara. This bunny don't buy you. Hey! Oh, wow. You can't walk with this. Ujofo, I know if you've been reluctant to do this. You must do in order to avenge and fight back my brother's death. That's why I have to do this. I am still a virgin and I need my brother's death avenged. Please do not waste my sacrifice. Kill the people that took everything from me. Ojofo needs to say this.
In as much as we are still mourning a beautiful soul, Amara, it's time to do the needful. That arrogant fool Maduka that is always full of himself, it is time to crush him. We will not only dismantle his source of income, but to make sure his life is cut short. I know Maduka very well. He's a nobody. Our father discarded him. He left the palace with nothing. All this money he's throwing around was made illegally through drug pushing.
I can't wait. Me, Usoji, the alligator pepper will stop evil. I know if you wait to see that maniple fall on his knees, beg you. Brother, that guy go fall on his knee, they cry, they beg you. My I swear.
Maduka must suffer before he dies. He will pay for all he has done to you. He will.
Adade Buayala and Adago Chintina Yesu. It is time to slaughter Maduka.
Who be this? What's up? What do you define for here?
I mean, I no expect to see you for this place. If I may ask, what happened to Sansan?
You ask too many questions, but I go answer you one after the other.
That one there.
You see me, Usoji. The alligator pepper would stop evil. I did disappointed to see Mandela like you. Because no be Mandela like you, I be on Facebook. Person when I want to see here, na Maduka.
Based on saying Maduka dey busy. You know as they be now. Yeah? Maduka guys take care of business. That guy is too busy to, to grace himself with your presence. You know as they be now, Osaji.
See, make I tell you, English no be our mother language. Yeah? But I go still tell you something. Tears and water might look alike, but they no be the same. You dey feel me?
That one day.
Tell Maduka say, he don communicated. That is if he understand the English when I speak. But if he no understand my caprison, bye. Wetin him get to know be say in business go soon crash. And when him crash, him mind go dey. You dey hear me?
Usoji, you get wetin you talk just now. As you drop that line, it be like say water dey my ear. I no hear am well. I no understand which one be say we are excommunicated. How? Based on waiting, I no understand. I beg you fit throw more light. Make I feel am well.
Pikin wey no know him mama boyfriend, they call am uncle. Tell Maduka say in business don't crash. Make him know they come here to come look for Sansan, say one thing, because as it stands, he know they needed. But as it is, because say you be manchi wey no one or two, you get sense, but you know they use your kafa. I want make you come join us so go own this business. But if you say you no go join force with me, bye I wanna. When the matter go start, Abobi, you go collect woto. Bye I wanna. When the matter happen, you believe.
It's all the business we get foundation, no fit capsule. You know that one.
Depends on how many feet we then dig the foundation.
No, you cannot do this to me. You cannot. Listen, I am not an ordinary person. Okay, you know this. I have contributed so much to the growth of the organization. You can't just excommunicate me like that. No, I say no. Listen, speak to the hierarchy. I am one of those who have strengthened the organization. I started it. Speak to the hierarchy. Alright, fine. How much do you want me to pay? How much? I'll send it to you. You can't take me out like that. How much? What? Wait. Hold on. Did you just say someone paid you to take me out? A boy paid you to take me out of the organization? Who? Ojiofo? Get the cars ready. Ojiofo, what do you think you are doing? Cutting off my supplies. You want to die?
Maduka, you can't kill me. My message is simple. I want to make sure I cripple you financially. Yes. I want you to crawl in the mud as a pig that you are before taking your life.
I see.
The biggest mistake you made was coming for what is mine. For that singular reason, I will take everything that belongs to you before taking your life.
Before taking my life. You make me laugh, Ojiofo. You cannot kill me. It is impossible. I am the python that swallows elephants. And you remain my younger brother. Whatever you think you know now, I have known for so many years before you got to know it.
If I wanted you dead, you won't be here blabbing. I want to make sure you wallow in abject poverty before taking your life. And that's exactly what I will do.
Ojiofo, death is coming to you. Mark my words, Ojiofo. Death is coming to you.
My friend, leave this place, you lousy fool.
Ah, my prince, this is you.
Yes, Nayokolo. How is your leg?
This is where they have reduced me to, that I cannot do some strenuous activities.
It is well, even in the well. I want to say a big thank you for always standing by me, standing by the truth, and always supporting what is right. Thank you very much. As for your leg, let me see what I can do. Please manage this. This is 300,000 naira.
My prince. This for me?
Please manage.
Anything you want, I can do it free of charge. You don't need to pay me.
Don't worry. May Chukwu bless you more. Sorry about what happened, okay? Better come see me. Let's see what we can do. I can maybe fly you abroad for surgery, okay?
Hey! Of course. I thank you, my prince. The gods will be with you. Nothing will happen to you. Ah, my prince.
Ozodikibe, tell the elders that Aka Jiofo, Prince Ejiofor, is back.
I will do as well.
And this time around, Obuna Izagaro was Yaga.
Oh yeah, thank you. Chai. My prince. Hey! Chukabio Michaelo. Hey! Ah. So.
Your Majesty.
What news do you bring?
Prince Ejiofor is busy building allies. He paid some elders a visit and gave them a huge amount of money. As we speak, he's spraying money to the villagers. Your Majesty, that man is building serious supporters around him. What do you suggest we do?
You will do nothing.
I'm asking you, what is going on? I have you as my spiritualist, my Ezewanye. Yet things keep going wrong. What is happening?
Udara's seed did not need prompting to fall. It happens at its own time. Relax, my love. For what you seek shall come to you.
What is wrong with you, woman? I'm telling you that things are going wrong here in Asimo Udala seed or Udala tree. What's your problem? I hate riddles. You know this. I hate riddles. You keep giving me riddles. Things are going wrong. Why can't I kill that boy? Why is he still alive? Huh? I've tried so hard to kill him, it's not working. I even placed a bounty on his head, yet he defies all. Why? What's going on? I had an encounter with him a few days ago. You need to see the kind of confidence that boy has built. There is something inside him. I need to know what it is. What is going on?
Bobby. How far now?
Everywhere no good. Everywhere no good. I no get joy, but I know the pap joy so.
Bobby, talk to me. What be the problem?
The opponents, they don't come to play. No, they don't come for their Malina to play. But you see this time, their strategies, their backline don't expose woto. Because me will make them believe. No choice.
Bobby, what did they happen? Talk to me. Go straight to the point.
Check out those cookie now. Those small boys, then get the morale, they get the inner chester, enter market, go they collect from people. Whether you they buy or you they sell, then go they collect from you. Bobby, that is looting in disguise. Who give them the inner chester now? Who give them the morale to do that kind of nonsense now? But you see me, I go make them believe. I go make them know say I be alligator pepper Osoji with the spoil evil. I go take them down. Me go take them down. No be choice.
Bobby, where it happened? Where be the place of the attack?
No, check out this cookie them now. Check out those small boys. Then get the morale. They get the ododo. Enter inside market. Go to collect money from people. That na looting in disguise now. Say then they collect tax. Who give them that? See, me assistants, me, Usoji, I go make them understand. Say I be alligator pepper with the spoil evil. We go take them down. Me go bring them down. No be choice.
Overboard.
Confirm now.
Exactly, Bobby. Now what did my mind be that? Since Malik nobody won't come up for that palace, we go show them say now we get this town. Bobby, we go show them say now we get this town. You know what will go happen? We go there for the people's side. With those people, we go feel win them, Bobby. Maduka no go get any say again for this place. We go show them say now we dey run this town, Bobby. Because this is just the first me now. Who give them that right to go they collect tax for market? Who be them?
Don't worry yourself. Assistants, go play the game. Everybody go believe last. Come on. That mean everybody go believe last. Check out now. Then they go to collect tax.
This news not just jail at all. You know just jail at all.
Bye. Our.
Yes.
See, as you not block road, I go just collect oh.
I swear.
Where you? That money where you carry so. No be your money, na thief you thief am. Na people get the money.
Wow. Bam! A chogolo there. Look at this one. What nonsense are you talking about? Do you know who this money belongs to?
Come on, disembark from that vertical cape. Who goes to get the money? Let's say, waiting in the cap you now. Now say, the money we una go loot for person we send una no belong to them. Wow. It belongs to the people. They feel me. So, on how it be, make una return that money 2 seconds.
Last man, one waiting with the even in the... Come on, go down! Down here! You don't say you don't get respect! I don't surrender.
Why you dey say the matter?
I don't surrender. I don't surrender.
No be everybody good to carry kala. Kala no good for na.
I know. I beg. I beg. Listen. Take this message to your boss. Let him know the reaper is coming soon. Bastard. Come on, get that from me.
Tell your boss, say, what we show for him, you go believe. Kala no good for anybody hand. No something.
You see these small boys there? Walk on the fuck with us.
I go make all of una believe.
Bastards.
Why did you allow the devil to use you? I made it clear to all of you. Nobody should make my food while menstruating. Why did you do it? You're wondering, how did the king get to know? That's because I'm a god. A non-entity like you cannot kill me. I warned you all. I said anybody who makes my food while menstruating, I will wipe out that person and his entire family. You just sentenced your family to death.
Your Majesty, please. Please spare the lives of my family, please. It was the devil's work. Your Majesty, I swear I will never do it again. Please, Your Majesty, just spare the lives of my family, please. Please, Your Majesty, I beg you. I am so sorry. Please.
Baz!
Your Majesty, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. What have you done? What have you done? I'm sorry. I was just trying to help you. It would be so easy. But I want you to stay away from politics, especially the one that has to do with this community. What have you done?
Clean up the mess.
So that you can try it.
coast is clear. Very close. Very close there. Yes, I'm going to do that.
Izagaro, where's Yaga?
The thing that baffles me in this whole thing is we are not even asking miracle. Since Prince Joshua came, he has not made any attempt either to rescue his wife and child that have been out, nor done anything to want to take over the throne for himself. Does that sound normal? I don't understand.
That man must be mad.
Yes, I think so.
He must be a madman. How could he come back without thinking of rescuing his precious wife and the throne? No. I think something is wrong with him. That man is planning something. Yes. He came back weightier, stronger. But yet, he couldn't do anything. I think that man is hatching up something. Yes. I believe he has strategies to go about the whole thing. Yes.
You think so? But my fear is that Maduka is a stubborn rat. Maduka has tasted power. And he will do anything and everything to retain that power. Remember what our people say. When a lion has tasted the blood of human, the blood of other animals, no one tastes like the human blood.
Right.
He has tasted power. And my fear is, like a wise one said, power tends to corrupt. Power tends to corrupt. And absolute power corrupt absolutely.
You're right. But this time around, that power will get him drawn in it. Yes, people do say that power is good. But when you leave it to intoxicate you,
like he has done to him now,
it will kill him.
Gods of our land. Gods of our land. We hope and pray.
Ichokolo, my brother. It has started.
Ichama,
Eh?
what is it?
It has started.
What has started?
Prince Ejiofor went to the palace with fully armed men to engage Maduka in a fierce gun battle to rescue his wife. The palace, as we talk now, is deserted and his wife rescued.
Wait for a moment. Are you telling me that our queen has been rescued? I would have urged you to stop calling me His Majesty because he's not my king. Ejiofor is my king, and that is the only person I know.
We all know that. Now that the gods have come to rescue us, very soon, even sooner than we expect, he will sit on that throne, the throne of his forefathers.
We have come. What we ask, we shall get. What we get is what we ask for. Oga kalake lugo.
Dear mother, I am here to know why such calamity will befall me and my household. I lost 4 of my men in the same day. And the one I have, hostage, was taken unaware to me. Why?
My daughter, the river is silent. They are yet to speak to me. But I'm surprised about what you said that happened, because it wasn't supposed to be so. But you have to go. In 3 days' time, I will come to you with an answer. You have to go, my daughter. Go! The Queen Mother is behind you. It is well with you, my daughter.
Thank you.
Thanks to the gods, you're awake. How are you feeling now?
Who are you? And where am I?
Just calm down, okay? Relax, you're safe. My name is Anthony, but you can call me Tony. I'm your husband's friend.
My husband?
Yes. He asked me to take care of you while he go run some things inside town.
My husband?
Yes.
I thought I saw him walk into the room where I was held captive.
Relax, okay? At this stage now, you don't need to stress yourself, okay? Your husband will be back shortly and he will come join you, okay? For now, I'm concerned about your welfare. Can I get you something to eat? What would you like to eat?
You are sure my husband is safe?
Your husband is fine. He will be with you soon, okay?
Okay. Can you get me a doctor then? If you can get me a doctor, I will be very grateful.
I'll get you a doctor, okay? But first, I want you to eat something. Okay? Just relax. Let me get you something to eat.
Ura Afiawan. Ura nyan. Afiawan ndemi boku.
Doko itemite. Kemmo aye dia na meme. Aye kabareri na me dio. Doko nyete se nye yom de tummo. Diparo ke nye ribo tummo. Doko nye. Ura nyan.
Afiawan.
Nde doko itemite o. The
river goddess says that water is a peacekeeper and also an enemy maker. What you get from the water depends on what you seek. And she also said that I should ask you, what do you seek from the river goddess?
Tell her I seek immortality.
Odudu. Afiawan. Odoki yumdidi okura baba. Emi mpo kon ubo go. Mi kemeke ni ton yikba idem. Mendi da wemesie.
Awawa kiri. Oruru. Doko nyete. Yene kese andem nyen. Afiana wa. Ikana mi kemeke nami. Doko nyete. Kese nye yomde. Kenye yenyen. But kenye ayek ba yembo. Koro ke yek ba yembo. Doko nyise.
She said that whatever you seek shall be found, but it will be at a great cost.
Tell her I'm ready to pay anything. Just mention it.
Oruru ediedo. Afiawan. Odo kokimi di imi mong inam kukuru so for yumde. Adi enang iti abadi ebo duop adi erong efreba kimi mong ino.
Awawa. Oruru kero. Uroro nya.
Afiawan.
Nyumo ro kai temete. Ke anya yero wem. Eyesna yeke kebe mkpawo. Esna yeke kakpa mo. Anya yesna ro ko senita. Amake muso mita yesi onyeri. Eyesi onyeri kiso mo. Obu ma ye to onyire me jere nyire. Ama yere nyire me ma. Anya yebante me basi.
The river goddess said, you will be buried alive in a casket for 3 days. On the 3rd day, you will be brought at the shore, and a great wind shall wash you, and your life shall become like that of the gods. The river goddess said, if you have heard all that she has said, and you are ready to do it.
We are wasting time. Can we start immediately?
She said, let's go.
Anansa nyini medio. Afiawa nyini medio. Awawa.
She said you should go into the casket.
Whoa, Anansa. Whoa, Afiawa no. Whoa, Anansa. Whoa, Afiawa no. Awawa. Come on, baby me. Ayaya, Anansa manamo. Ayaya, Afiawa na manamo. Ura. The peke ben power mi sen kesen mo. Anansa sosongo. Anansa manamo.
Afiawa na manamo.
My lovely wife, I'm so sorry for not coming to your rescue as soon as possible. You know, easy. Sorry, okay?
It's okay. Every day I spent there, the thought of you and knowing that you will come back for me is what kept me going.
Sorry. Of course, I'll always come back for you. You are my joy.
But right now, what I really need is a doctor. I need to know that our baby is doing fine.
Of course. I'm sure my baby is kicking.
Yes, he is.
But we'll come, Just relax. I'll get you a doctor, okay? Let's go inside.
My love.
Yeah, baby.
This is a six-room mount for that party. See that? Mura and over 3 just show up. You need to come out. Because you don't hear scores. See, say, those small cookies they went in prepared to use to selling now. All these are small selling now what they need for back of the baby cereal. Say, you don't clear the eye. Now, you don't believe, say, you can mount the chance. worry, body go tell her. The body go suppose. I won't be. Malik need to start good things. Malik need to suffer in fear before we go buy him. Before we go make that palace buy everybody. That guy need to suffer. So they won't mess with us. The eyes will clear very soon. You know what's in the investment for this matter? What's in the investment for this matter is say me, Osonji. Alligator pepper will stop. The way you did me for body, me, Osonji. Me, alligator pepper will stop evil. Blood need to flow, blood need to scatter. But on IEB, that manchi blood, the blood of a cow is better than that manchi blood. I said something was blood. The eye go clear, nevertheless, it's still cap you. You go collect what you know, you go collect.
Awawakeri! Oruru! Oruru! Akwa oruru! Oruru! Dawai temite. Bawa woke ike ni gore nya. Dawanya ka. Ya ke ka eri mboromo na nga mama.
The white goddess said that you are now indestructible. You should go and rule the world.
Dawanya
Go!
Boyaka.
You say go! Go and rule your world.
Oruru! Oruru! Awawakeri! Oruru! Awawakeri! Oruru! Anansa amanamo Afiawana amanamo
Ojikome.
Boss na no the news. Eke oria afọ mpo. Miriam aja na izota. Onye nwe m ekwe efugo ndị bịa. Ya ga-akọwala anyị. Ị na-akọla anyị anyị eme ka isi wee kwu. Gị bụ onye nwe nụ gị mana. Gị maka isi eje. Isi mkpuo. My child, what you seek for is possible, but I cannot just divert it to you. It will cost you a lot. Oh, you forgive.
Wise one, I'm ready to do whatever it takes to make sure Maduka goes down. He has beaten more than he can chew. Just say it. Agorona.
You say you can do everything.
You heard me right.
You have the heart of a lion, I tell you. Maduka died many times ago. He has a part with Onwu. No matter how great a man is, whistleblower is the one that will overcome him.
Wise one. Dibia Wanozo. Wanozo Buru Dibia. Wafa. Tell us what to do to make sure Maduka dies.
We've checked it. We've checked it, and it's still telling us the same thing. For you to kill Maduka, I will tell you what to do. That's it, man. I hope. He said he can do everything. He can do it. It's what you send me that I'm doing. Take it from me. Urinate inside and come back. And come back with it. Where is who?
Where is Ojiofor? For the last time, where is Ojiofor?
Ojiofor is not here, I tell you. Ojenamo, you can go. And then a John, if you want. If you want. Ojenamo.
Where is he? Show yourself, old man. Are you a coward? Huh? Don't tell me you are a coward, old man. Show yourself!
Ojenamo! Ojenamo! Egelebe Ojolo! Adabidu! Isi kacha! Obege bunde buonwe! Ebi nwa! You will bury here! Your corpse will be located here! Yes! Your corpse will be located here!
I told you, old man. I'm not a man you mess with. I confess here. Or Dalawa. Ojiofor, I know you can hear me wherever you are. I told you, Ojiofor, death is coming to you. I told you, death is here. You can run, Ojiofor. Run! Run to the end of the world. But you cannot hide from me, Ojiofor. I will get you. And I will kill you.
This is Maduka's signature. Wise one. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What are we supposed to do now?
Drink it.
I should drink my urine?
Yeah, drink it.
Wise one. Wise one.
Yes. You know, I've been expecting to see you. I went to your house and couldn't see you. Eh? Where did you go? But I still don't understand why Prince Maduka would be looking for us. This is something he has not done ever since he emerged as a king on that throne. Who knows the mischief he's planning and cooking for us this time? If not for one thing, I wouldn't have honored that invitation. But for the sake of peace. Indeed. For the sake of peace. But if we would not go and see him, who knows what he's planning to do to us? It's either he kill us or he burn our houses. Yes. Okay, let's be going. You see that man? That beast that calls himself Prince Maduka.
Ndimil! Ndezumezu! Ọgbantị ibe m! Ọmụ ọbara tụlee! Okedịga! Ọmụ besi nwanyị mmiri! Ọkala mmadụ ọkala mmụọ! Eyi! Ọkwa ihe akpara ka a na-eme. Ọkwa unu ziri m ọlụ a. Maka na nwata nna ya finyere oshi. Na-eji ụkwụ agbawa ụzọ. Eyi! Ndị nneyi! Ndị otu mụ! Ha si nka m pịachasịa dị mụ. Ka m sachapụ ya ọrụ akwụ. Ka nwoke dị ka nwoke. Enwe nwoke nwe odogwu. Ọkwa ya? Enwe nwoke nwe odogwu. Ka nwoke kwuru nụ. Ọya. Ọya. Ụkpaka na-agba n'udu mmiri. Ọ jụkwara ọkọchị kedu? Eyi! Ọmụnwa bụ mmiri ejubelu. Ụfọdụ ana, ụfọdụ ejeje. My lord, what you seek is coming to you. Ejiofor is coming to you. Ejiofor! 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 I will feast on your soul.
I don't have your time yet. Maduka, I warned you. I'm here to take what rightfully belongs to me. And that's all.
And that will never happen, Uchiofo. No matter what you do, you can never erase nature. I am your elder brother. This throne belongs to me.
You were disqualified by the gods of our land. You are not fit to be king.
You lie, child. You have to get to me first before you get to him.
Okay. Bring it on.
Megosigi yoku jinti okeme. Okura na kali onye kolo ya. Mba. Mba! Mba! Asemo mba! Makana ha kara aka na heli nwangworo. Omubu alusi awo tefe. Omubu na nwanyi okite. Hey! Asina mmiri enweghilo. Mana ọ bụghị maka onye ọfụrụ okwu ya. Ndị mmiri, ndị ezumezu, ọgwante ibe m, ọgwante nwana, ọgwante mmiri, ji ụwa m, ndị mụ na ha sọpịa ụwa. A sị na efu ọha esi eli, atọtụ oge nka. Ọ ga-elugo.
Dibia Bonozo will Dibia. I told you that death will visit you. The hour has come. Adazo is Azo and Ojo Fogana.
The time has reached. Yes.
By the power vested on me as the new Onowu of Umudim Autonomous Community, I hereby crown you Igwe Udoka the second of Umudim Autonomous Community.
The Igwe himself, long live on the throne.
Izagara was Yaga.
The king himself. Igwe Doka one. May you live long.
Yes, you. Thank you very much. Yes. Because I'm convinced deep down that the gods are behind us.
Yes.
Let's proceed to the town square for item 7.
I know, Mego. The Igwe himself.
Edochie.